Vanakkam friends, welcome to PM Data Lab. Excel Basics Episode 3. Last videoல நம்ம monthly budget data use பண்ணி basic formulas பார்த்தோம். Like sum, min, max, remember? In the videoல, we're going to see something really fun and colorful. How to highlight data using conditional formatting and also create beautiful charts to see trends visually. Ready? Super! Let's start. Look at this. A very simple 12-month budget data set. Columns இருக்கு month, income, expense and savings. இங்க for every month we can see how much income we earned, how much we spent and how much we saved, all very clearly. This data may look simple, but it's so powerful for everyday budgeting and financial planning. We'll use the same dataset to add colors and create eye-catching charts. Trust me, it's going to be fun and super satisfying. Let's start conditional formatting. This is one of my favorite features. It helps us instantly see what's important automatically. Let's go one by one. Easy, ah? First, let's bring the savings column to life with colors. Select the savings column, Home tab, Conditional formatting, Color scales. Pick the red, yellow, green color scale. Wow! Higher savings turn green, lower savings turn red, and medium values become yellow. ரொம்ப ஈஸியா பேட்டர்னா ஸ்பாட் பண்ண முடியுது. So satisfying to see. Next, let's add data bars to the expense column. Select the column, Conditional formatting, Data bars, choose a nice blue shade. Longer bars show higher expenses, shorter bars show lower. Visually, it becomes so simple and so neat. Okay, now let's highlight months where expense above 20,000. Friends, in conditional formatting, நாம not only column but also the entire row highlight பண்ண முடியும். Very useful to see full details of high expenses. Let's see how to do it. First, select the entire data range, which includes month, income, expense, and savings for all months. Then, go to Home tab, Conditional formatting, select New rule. In the dialog box, choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, type $, symbol C2 greater than 20,000. Here, C2 refers to the expense column. Adjust if your expense column is in a different position. Then click Format, choose a fill color you like. Then click Format. Choose a fill color you like. I like yellow color, so I choose yellow. And click OK. Click OK again to finish. See? Wow, now the entire row gets highlighted if that month's expense is above 20,000. Visually, it's very clear. March, April, July, September rows highlight இருக்கு. அப்படின்னா இந்த மந்த்ல நம்ம ரொம்ப செலவு பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Okay friends, now that we made our data colorful and easy to read with conditional formatting, let's take it to the next level by creating charts. Charts help us see the data visually, spot trends instantly, and make your Excel file look super professional too. Ready? Let's go. Column chart for income and expense. First, let's create a simple column chart to compare our monthly income and expense. Select the data range, month, income and expense columns. Then go to Insert tab, Charts, Clustered column. Wow, see? For each month, we can clearly see income versus expense side by side. March, April, July, September expense ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தி immediately identify பண்ண முடியுது. Important thing is chart title. So don't forget to rename chart title. Then we customize color like blue for income, green to make it look beautiful. Next, let's create a line chart to see how savings changed month by month. Select month and savings columns. Insert line chart. See the smooth line? Shows the trend across 12 months. April, May, October la savings dropped because expenses got high. Add data labels and title to make it look clean and professional. Let's also try a pie chart to see which month had the highest share of total expense. Select month and expense columns. Insert pie chart. See? Big slices show months where spending was more. April, May, October, slices become bigger automatically. Super visual. See friends, charts make your data come alive. Column chart shows comparison, line chart shows trend, pie chart shows proportion. Together they tell the full story of your income, expenses, and savings beautifully. Simple andalum, romba powerful tool for decision making and planning. Wow, friends! Video end vanditom. Today we learned something so colorful and powerful. Color scales, data bars, highlight cell rules, icon sets. And finally, we created simple but beautiful charts to see the story behind our numbers. Next video la we'll go one step bigger. We'll start with real data analysis in Excel, step by step. Import data, do data cleaning, and prepare it for insights. Trust me, ரொம்ப interesting இருக்கும் and very very useful too. So if you enjoyed this video, please like பண்ணுங்க, comment your thoughts, and share with friends so they can also learn. And most important, மறக்காம subscribe to PM Data Lab because many more fun and useful videos are coming soon. Seriously, friends, thank you so much for spending your precious time with me today. Ungal support romba romba special irukku. Truly means a lot. See you super soon in the next episode. Let's learn together, grow together.